Hello, everybody. Meteorologist Hutch Johnson joining you. Record-breaking heat today. We have more heat on the way, and then some real measurable rainfall could be in the forecast, and in fact, 30s? What? Details coming up right now on Hutch's Weather.
Now, a Hutch's Weather Update with Chief Meteorologist Hutch Johnson, brought to you by Robert Gibb and Sons.
All right, thanks again for joining me. Check out some of these high temperatures today. Cass and Clay County in and around the Fargo area, temperatures 95 to 100 degrees. We cracked the 100-degree nut in Warren, up in western parts of Marshall County. Look at the Kitson County area, 101 degrees. And if you were in Valhalla, 96 today. Temperatures sizzling out west as well. It was a hot one across the region. So we did have some record highs set around the region today, and here are a couple of those that were recorded, and then we'll get right to your forecast. 95, breaking an old record set back in 1887 when Mike Morkan was out keeping records. Gotcha. 99 degrees, Grand Forks. That's out at the airport. Breaking, no, smashing a record back in 1977 in town, tying a record. Now let's take a look at this forecast. Next 24 hours, we do have a few showers and a few rumbles of thunder working their way through the region right now. And here's where they are as we take a look at that radar. And what you're going to notice is essentially, wow, we have some wildness going on. Let me load up the right radar here display for you. And we'll go ahead and show you that we do have a couple of showers and thunderstorms working their way along the international border. Some of these are severe per Canadians or Environment Canada's warning system. Killarney, seeing those showers and thunderstorms out down towards Belcourt. We have a few thunder showers moving in through that area. There is a severe thunderstorm watch in the Big Sky country of Montana out there near Glendive, all the way out to Dickinson and Medora. But those not really coming to fruition. In our area, we have the fire danger, that red flag warning across the entire area. And these gray counties you see here from parts of western and central Minnesota, that is a poor air quality alert that's going on out there right now. So we've had some pretty rough and tumble conditions across the region. Now, let's take a look at this forecast for the evening showers and thunderstorms as we set things into motion. One thing you are going to notice is they will basically drift across the northern tier of counties, and that will be about it. I don't anticipate too much in the way of precipitation from these, just isolated events. These will end after we go through about 3 to 5 a.m. Southerly winds will be strongest as we go through the day across Southern Valley into Minnesota, gusts to 50 miles per hour at times. Low pressure moving in keeps the south wind flowing as we head into your Tuesday as well. That's 2 more days of heat in the forecast. Let's get to that, and then we will talk just a little bit about some forecast facts when the rain is going to be coming in. Here's a look at these digits, and I'm going to be off the screen here for just a moment. Near 60 Duluth, Bemidji, 64 degrees. Near 70 in Fargo, 72 Grand Forks to start your Monday morning. Sunrise, by the way, now is before 6 a.m. So if you hear the rooster clucking just a little earlier, that just might be why. South winds gusting to 40 miles per hour. As we go into your afternoon, I expect temperatures to rock 99 in Grand Forks. We'll see a 100-degree reading once again in the Northern Valley here and there. Out in central Minnesota, near 90 for Babe the Blue Ox, 91 degrees in Badette. As we go out to the west, we'll be near 100 degrees. Bismarck, Dickinson, and Glendive, Montana. Sydney, Montana to Minot as well. And it looks dry and gusty. So the fire danger will still be a problem across the region. Look at this. Fergus Falls all the way down to the Twin Cities near 90 degrees as well. 7-day forecast. And we'll talk a little bit about the rain chances, but check this out. We'll go through the heat and near record temperatures again on Tuesday, again on Wednesday. And then after that, some big time changes coming through Wednesday night. Western parts of North Dakota, Wednesday thunder. Then as we go into the valley and into western Minnesota, Thursday brings areas of heavy rain, some strong thunderstorm potential as well. After that, the temperatures just do this. Whoop! That's right. The bottom falls right out of the bucket, and we're going from 90s to 30s. It keeps me employed. What can I say? All right, now let's take a look at what we have going on with this extended forecast. We're going to look at the European model right quick, and then we'll get you back to your business on this Mother's Day. I hope all of you mothers had a wonderful Mother's Day as we went through today. Things looking pretty good. I'm going to zoom this into our region here so we can focus on the northern plains and our chances of nice and beneficial rainfall. I'm going to back this up just a little bit because it really begins on Wednesday as we go into western North Dakota. Low pressure lifts out of Colorado, and it does bring a chance of storms. The one thing that can be the big hitch in the giddy up with this kind of a weather making system is going to be the fact that we may see some heat in the upper levels of the atmosphere cap the development of thunderstorms, but there will be a chance of western North Dakota thunderstorms on Wednesday. Heading into Thursday morning, the chance of showers and storms will blossom in the Dakotas. Look at this low pressure system right here over Sisseton and Aberdeen. That's going to keep the heat across Minnesota, but cold north winds across North Dakota mean it's over, and you'll have some relief from the heat. Showers and thunderstorms could be strong to severe in Minnesota, the way it looks to Hutch, on Thursday. So we'll highlight that and keep our eyes on it, while beneficial showers of rain will continue right here as we go from Thursday night into Friday before this slow-moving system exits the region. And then we can count a look at the rainfall amount. So let's check this out. As you go into your Thursday, that might be our area's best chance of some showers and strong thunderstorms. A few could be severe from parts of Minnesota and into Wisconsin in particular. Cold rain showers and beneficial, much needed rain out west as we go through our Thursday as well. How much, Hutch? That's the question. And you want to know these things and such. So that's why you have Hutch. Numerous periods of rain out west and central North Dakota, 3 to 4 inches are estimated here by the European model. This can change, and it will be more localized than everywhere. So let's keep that in mind. These models tend to overblow the aerial coverage of the heaviest rain. Localized amounts over 2 inches, up to 4 inches. Southern Valley and some of us will get missed with the low pressure center being right over the top of us, but hit and miss periods of storms across the region means localized areas getting a good solid soaking of an inch of rain. I'm meteorologist Hutch Johnson, thanking each and every one of you for watching Hutch's Weather. For now, we'll get you back to your regularly scheduled programming on this Sunday night. Happy Mother's Day, everyone. Remember, hutchesweather.com, anytime, anywhere, for the very latest in your weather information. Follow on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube.